What is going up, everyone? All right, so we are going to be doing our kind of pre-market watch here for tomorrow morning. So we're going to look for continuation in a couple stocks here. So the first one we're going to look for is IZEA. So there's a pretty nice support here at around 135 to 136. It bounced twice here. As you guys can see, it bounced almost a couple times and it immediately popped back up. So now we know there is a heavy set of buyers here. And it looks like it's having trouble breaking over that 160 area. So if it breaks up, it's most likely going to push all the way up to around 167 because that's where the next resistance lines are. And then if it breaks through that, then it's going to continue up and see if it can push for the high of 183. But what I think is going to happen here is it's going to hit this little resistance here and it's going to pop back down. And we're going to look for a support bounce here at around 136. So that's what's most likely going to happen. It might fade off tomorrow. It is very early here, but it is continued to really maintain its consolidation from last Friday. And then the next one here is ZOES. This one is just a basic stock here. We could look for a fall, but I don't think we're going to see it because, this is just a very level playing field, not a lot of volume. It's up, 33%, and it doesn't look like it's going to fall. And so we could look for if it starts to break, but we also want to keep in mind is that here, let's go for the past 20 days here. That, it has previously popped up in the past and fallen. And let's see if there is any other within the past 180 days, if there is any. Okay, so it has, like I was saying, it has popped up. So we could look for a continuation here to $16, but it will have some problems at around 14. So there's just multiple resistance lines. And my go-to stock is anywhere from $3 to $6. So I would most likely leave this one alone. All right, and the next one here. TIK, this one was up a lot, but as you guys can see, just from judging the patterns, it pops up and falls, pops up and falls, pops up and falls, pops up, falls. So as you guys can see here, history tends to repeat itself. So it popped up, now it's falling, and it looks like there is some support here at around $3, but I'm most likely gonna just kind of watch this one because it is still pre-market here, and I don't like to take trades pre-market. I've done it, and it's not as clean. It's kind of a sloppier type of trade. And then the last one here is ATAI. This one just had light volume, went from $2 to $7. So it's really not, something that I would like to trade. Let's see what happened in the past with the stock. So this stock went from 720 to 225 and popped back up. That's what really happened here. And so that kind of makes sense because in the past, 180 days and hasn't broken through about $4. But that was its lows. Now it dropped. A lot of buyers caught in and shot it all the way up. So we could look for a short here. I don't think we'll see anything. So really we're just going to mostly keep an eye on IZEA here breaking over. Let's pull 1 minute back up. Breaking over 170 area. I don't know if it'll do it, but we could get a nice short on it if it doesn't. So, and then TIK. So those are the really stocks that we're going to keep on watch here. this past summer has been a very slow summer, and that's very common. So once we start getting that fall momentum, we should start seeing a lot more stocks that rip up, 100, 150%, So that's what we'd like to see, but even these 32%, that's pretty good. We can make a trade off it, and we've been very consistent this past month. So I'm not too worried about tomorrow, and I think I will see what the pre-market is on the gap scanners, and we can just make our trades from there. This is just going to see if we can get a continuation in the market. That's what it's called. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at right now, but tomorrow morning it might be a little different. All right, so thanks for watching here. So this is my kind of watch list going into tomorrow here. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.